Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Toothless and Hiccup versus the Armored Dragon. It has breakaway armor. Wow! This looks like it's going to be lots of fun. Why don't we go ahead and open it up? Okay, let's check out the Armored Dragon first. Let his wings move. And his legs. Let's check out the armor. There. And now let's put this one on this side. And then he has his armor on. He looks very cool, doesn't he? Okay. So now that we have his armor on and we know how his wings work, let's see how we can make the armor pop off. If we squeeze down here on his legs, watch what happens. I lost my armor. That is very cool. So here's Toothless and his wings move. And you can tell he has his repaired wing on the back. Then his mouth opens. So we put in his projectile into his mouth. How do we launch it? By pulling back gently on his head. Wow! That's pretty cool. Put it back in. Pull back. Let's take a look at Hiccup. He has movable arms, movable body. His legs don't move though. And his head moves. I like his costume. I like that he has the dragon fin on the back. Very cool. He also has a fire sword. A little bit hard to put in, but I guess that means it's not going to fall out. We have another Toothless here. This one is big, and this one is small. But you can see they're both very cute and they're both similar to one another. He even has his tail. But what is this one missing? He does not have the saddle. Why don't we put the saddle on him? We're going to make it out of Playdoh. We have some brown Playdoh right here. And there, now he has a saddle just like the big Toothless. Very cool. See? Now they definitely look exactly the same. Let's get Hiccup on. Climb on, Hiccup. Okay, he's ready to take for the skies. Yay! Good job, Toothless! You did it! Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for lots more videos with your favorite toys.